In this video, we will show you how to replace your coolant reservoir on this Honda Accord. This will be located in the front of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. All right, before we get started on our job, it's important to make sure that the vehicle is cool to the touch because we're going to be working around the radiator. With that said, to remove the coolant reservoir, we're going to remove the coolant hose. Take hold of it, give it a twist, and remove it from the reservoir. We'll give it a quick inspection, make sure it is still soft and pliable, and it's not torn, worn, or damaged. With that off of there, we'll continue on over along the side. You'll find one 10mm headed bolt holding this in place. Remove it. Inspect that hardware, replace it as necessary. Take hold of the coolant reservoir and remove it from the vehicle. There it is, friends. The next thing you would want to do would be either recycle the coolant that's in this or swap it over to your brand new coolant reservoir. Let's install our reservoir. Before I put it down in here, I want to point out that there's two markings. One for maximum, one for minimum. Once this is installed, you're going to want to add coolant up to the maximum line. As we bring this down, we'll be paying attention to the slot along here and the hole at the bottom. Once it's properly aligned, it should slide down, and your mounting bolt hole should be aligned as well. Let's get that mounting bolt in here. We'll start it in by hand so we're sure we are not cross-threading it into position. Snug it up. Confirm it's secured. Let's reattach that coolant hose. Just slide it right on there. Now that we have this installed, let's go ahead and top off the coolant. We'll turn the cap counterclockwise and lift the hose right up and out of there. Continue on with the funnel so you don't spill. We'll use the manufacturer's specified coolant. Now that we're at the maximum, we'll reinstall our cap. Turn that clockwise. Make sure it's nice and tight. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.